YNAB versus Monarch Money, best budgeting app for freelancers. Hey freelancers and self-employed pros, managing your money without a steady paycheck can be tough, but having the right budgeting application can make all the difference. In today's video, we're diving deep into two of the most talked about tools in the budgeting world, YNAB, which is You Need a Budget, and Monarch Money. We'll compare their features, some strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide which one fits your financial goals better. If you're trying to stay on top of the variable income, taxes, and expenses, this video is for you. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that we need to talk about is what are YNAB and Monarch Money. Basically, YNAB or You Need a Budget is a popular budgeting application based on the zero-based budgeting method. It focuses on giving every dollar a job and encourages you to be international with your money. It's well known for helping users break the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Now, Monarch Money, on the other hand, is a newer application created by former Mint and other financial app developers. It focuses on more visual, modern interface with collaborative tools, making it appealing for couples, families, and individuals who want a streamlined overview of their financial life. Basically, both tools are subscription-based and are packed with features designed to give you financial clarity. And so, the first thing that we have to talk about is going to be features and user interface. YNAB uses a spreadsheet-like format that may feel slightly dated to some, but it's basically intentional, as you can see right here. The simplicity makes it easier to stick with budgeting principles like aging your money and converting overspending manually. Now, it has features like goal tracking, some real-time syncing with banks, scheduled transaction, detailed reporting, and lastly, debt payoff planning. Now, Monarch Money offers clean dashboard views, easy to understand charts, net worth tracking, automatic categorization, shared access for households, and cash flow projection. Monarch is more hands-on and designed for ease of use, while YNAB expects you to be more involved, which can be great if you're detail-oriented. From there, let's talk about the budgeting approach. YNAB uses the zero-based budgeting, meaning every dollar gets assigned to a job. This method is excellent for freelancers because it forces you to extremely be intentional, especially when the income is irregular. It teaches you to age your money and live on the last month's income. Monarch, by contrast, allows you for flexible planning. It's more about tracking than enforcing a strict plan. While you can plan budgets month to month, it also allows long-term planning and forecasting without needing to assign every dollar manually. And from there, we then have the tax planning and irregular income. Freelancers have to think about quarterly taxes and fluctuation income. YNAB system works great for this if you can go ahead and set aside money for taxes, build buffers, and prioritize your goals. Monarch Money allows for tax goals and categories too, but it's more high-level planning. If you're hands-on and need to ensure tax money is always separate, YNAB offers more control. Monarch wins if you prefer automatic simplicity and forecasting. From there, we then have the collaboration and sharing. YNAB supports sharing with a partner, but the tools are basic. Monarch Money, however, excels here. It allows for full collaboration between multiple people with custom permissions. It's ideal for couples, business partners, or even assistants managing finances. And of course, we then have the pricing. YNAB is going to be $14.99 or going to be $15 a month or $100 a year with a 34-day free trial. Monarch is once again going to be the same with $15 a month and $100 a year with a 7-day free trial. Both are priced similarly. Students can get YNAB for free for 12 months, which is a great perk. And so, let's talk about the app experience and integrations. Both applications are available on iOS, Android, and web. YNAB has strong bank integration and a responsiveness support team, but some users feel that the UI is dated, as I've mentioned previously, that they are like an Excel on their application. Now Monarch feels more modern. It's easier to use for beginners, but has an impressive list of integrations including Plaid for banking and the ability to track investments and loans. And of course, we also have to discuss about the pros and cons of both applications. YNAB Pros is going to be excellent for hands-on freelancers. It's great for zero-based budgeting, which is going to be powerful. And the Pro, lastly, is going to be strong community and education tools. The cons is going to be steeper learning curve, and the UI once again can feel outdated. Navigating to Monarch Pros, they have modern interface, they are great for collaboration, and lastly, they have forecasting and network tracking. The cons is going to be less customizable for strict budgets, and it's not ideal for super granular control. And so which is better for freelancers? If you like to be very involved in your finances, manually control every dollar, and need a strong budgeting method, deal with inconsistent income, YNAB is your best bet. But if you want more automated overview of your financial life, if you love charts and visual insights and maybe want to collaborate with spouse or a bookkeeper, Monarch Money is a great alternative. Ultimately, it depends on how hands-on you want with your budget. Now, whether you choose YNAB and Monarch Money, you're making a smart move toward mastering freelance finances. Think about your financial habits. Are you more hands-on or visual? Do you want control or convenience? You could just go ahead and try both applications during their free trials and decide for yourself. Once again, the descriptions or the links are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Basically, YNAB right here is more hands-on, while Monarch Money will give you a clean user interface that automatically summarizes everything. And so, that's it for our tutorial or review. Let us know in the comments which application you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorial and honest comparison made for freelancers and creators like you. And so, I'll catch you on the next video, and thanks for watching.